Hello, it's me, Mr. Hare. Today we're going to talk about using the distributive property to solve multiplication. You'll need one of these mats or something like it to practice this first problem. 12 times 15. We're going to decompose the 15, but first let's make a 12 by 15 area model on our mat. I used the big boxes knowing these were 10, and then one more and two more makes 12 this way, and then this is 10 this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a 12 by 15 area model. The distributive property, to decompose a number in an area model, it looks like this. I'm going to leave the 12 in this instance, and I'm going to break the 15 down into two easier numbers to multiply. I've chosen 10 and 15 because 10 plus 5 equals 15. I can break this problem down. Now I can draw this out on the mat. This is 10 and this is 5. And now I have two easier multiplication sentences. So 12 times 10 is 120. And 12 times 5 is 60. And I could even break it down further if I needed to. But here we would have 120 and 60. And now if we add these partial products together, we'll know that 12 times 15 equals 120 plus 60. So 12 times 15 equals 180. All right, students, so let's look at today's assignment. Here we have an area model, and we're asked to draw an area model and use the distributive property to find each product. Now remember, when you use the distributive property, you're just breaking down one of the numbers to make two multiplication problems. So here, what we're doing is we're saying 36 times 24. So we started with an area model. This is 36 times 20 and 4. We separated the 20 and 4. So we could solve 36 times 20. And we would do that. 36 times 20, well, 0 times 36 is 0. And 2 times 6 is 12. And then I regroup the 1 for that step. And 2 times 3 tens is, or 2 tens times 3 tens is 600 plus that 1 extra. So 720. Okay, and that's what we have here. And then 36 times 4, well, we did that in the last chapter. 36 times 4, 4 ones times 6 ones is 24 ones. 4 tens times 3 tens is 12 tens plus 2 tens is 14 tens, or 140, and 144 is. So then we would combine the partial products to have 720 plus 144 is 864. So you're going to do that process here, and here you would say, well, 36 times 20, and you might need to have it on a separate sheet of paper that you staple, is 720, and 36 times 4 is 144, and the total is 864. So here you might say 47 times 19. And they've separated it out for us. They've decomposed the number for us in the example. So we're going to keep the 47. And we'll have a 10 and a 9, just like we have a 10 and a 9 here. So now we're going to do two multiplication problems, 47 times 10 and 47 times 9, and then we'll combine the partial products. All right, I'll let you take it from there. On the back, we practice more, and we do some thinking with some word problems and some area models. And here we do some thinking. Why is the distributive property appropriate for two-digit multiplication? How does it help us solve those problems? Happy mouthing! Mr. Hare, get out of my classroom. Oh, I've got to go.